Jablesoutdoors shooting.
22 or 9 mil, doesn't matter. Wow. Oh, no. I'm really out of shape.
Justin's about to shoot a 22.
What kind of 22? It looks old.
It's a Birmingham small arms.
Made in England.
Made in England.
Yeah, don't leave
Look at
that.
that. Look at that.
I knew that part.
Fancy little peep
made
sight.
in England.
That's kind of cool looking. Neat.
Give her shit, cowboy.
What are you shooting at? Do you want me to go put a skeet up?
There, I guess. Good shot.
I hit it?
I don't know.
What kind of gun you got, Brandon?
This is a Czech-made CSA VZ 58.
Oh.
And
Looks fancy.
it's the coolest thing in the world. If you know how to operate it. I'm still learning.
What do you got here, Jordan?
Oh, this here is the 9mm JR Carbine, complete with tactical flashlight
Ooh, fancy.
and red dot.
Probably won't need the flashlight today.
No, not
Probably
gonna need
not.
that. Trying some new ammunition this time. See if the gun doesn't jam up so much.
Is that the one you got from Brando?
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Oh, what's this, you might ask?
Bringing out the goodies.
This here is my 410 Rossi 410-22 combo. Comes with a stock and 2 barrels. Got the 22 barrel, nice little green and red fiber ops, and the 410 barrel and a foregrip. Pretty fun little gun. I think I picked it up for under 200 bucks. I don't remember. A couple years back now. Slide it together. Put the foregrip on. And presto. You got yourself a gun. Single shot. Nothing fancy. Fun, cheap, and light. Easy gun to carry around the bush all day. And I believe it takes up to 3-inch. Yep, 3-inch 410s. I'm gonna try shooting skeet out of the air with the 410. Throwing it by myself. Brandon's straight struggling with it.
The second you go off the skidoo trail, you really sink in.
Yeah, it's deep too. Oh, I didn't cock it. Hit it though.
Killed it.
Oh, what?
Did too.
Oh. Who is this
Who is
guy?
this guy?
This time I'm gonna cock the gun before I shoot. Might be a better idea. Oh. Sharpshooter with the little 410 Rossi. Look how small that is. Weighs nothing. So Bailey's gonna have her try her little attempt at shooting this thing.
I don't think she missed at the Thanksgiving party.
You got her.
Oh.
Nice shot. Wesley Snipes over here. Oh.
Mucked it.
Got it, finally. I can shoot that thing like 5 times with this gun.
Yeah.
Good shooting, Tex.
Nice.
I think that went pretty well.
Okay, so
You gotta set a snowshoe.
Look, Bambi, the water's hard.
Bailey, what you shooting there?
the 9mm JR Carbine.
Sweet.
Nice.
Good shot.
Mucked it.
VZ 58, Jablesoutdoors. First try.
You intimidated?
Yep.
thing just flicks brass everywhere.
You get it? I did. I think you did.
Yep.
Yeah, you hit it.
Thinking, Jamie.
Yeah.
Brando, what's that nifty little attachment you got there?
This would be the new vertical stabilizer from Fab Defense, and if you hit a button, it turns into a bipod, and then an extended bipod.
Wow,
Yeah,
ever cool.
pretty high tech.
I'll move this out of your way. And it rotates and all that kind of fun
Rotates,
stuff.
it pivots.
Picatinny rail.
I got that one.
Yep.
I officially declare this a no-fly zone.
Hey, I still want to shoot that too.
Yeah. There, that's not a jam, that's empty.
Oh, nice.
Cool. What do you like about it?
It's smooth, and it's a semi-automatic.
This is true.
And it's got a nice red dot on it.
How do you like the weight of it and stuff?
It's not
Is it
heavy.
manageable for women?
Yeah,
Cool. What about the
Perfect.
adjustable stock?
beautiful. Because I have a different length.
Not a girl. Cool.
Conservation.
The old CZ 58. VZ, sorry.
Hit the mag release, you got a full mag there.
Oh yeah. That was sexy.
Woo! I'm gonna do a selfie. Brandon Downey, March
16.
16th, and you're watching Jablesoutdoors.